Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from repeat.gg. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to repeat.gg, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. After navigating to repeat.gg's dashboard, you'll have to simply click on this icon at the top right corner. Now you will see a drop-down menu. Under this drop-down menu, you'll have to click on Withdraw Funds. After you click on Withdraw Funds, you will see two options. The first one is PayPal and the second one is check. So if you click on PayPal, you'll have the option to select these amounts. Now select the amount that you want to withdraw, and if your amount is not visible here, click on Set button. Now enter the transaction amount in this field and click on Next. Now after you click on Next, you'll have to add your PayPal information on the next page and you'll be successfully able to withdraw the fund to your PayPal account. Now in order to use another withdraw method, select Withdraw Funds again, click on Check and click on Set. Now enter the transaction amount, click on Next and add your bank information on the next page and you'll be successfully able to withdraw your funds to your bank account. That's the simple way you can withdraw money from repeat.gg. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.